Welcome back. The Machakos Land and Environment Court has restrained the Ngelani Pioneer Society from putting up any structures on a property it contests with Nation Media Group located in Katani Mavoko. The court issued the orders after receiving the report by the court's registrar on his visit to the disputed property last week. NTV's Steve Juma has more on today's developments.
Members of Ngelani Pioneer Society crammed the courtroom mid-morning Thursday to follow the proceeding and to be in the current on the court's deputy registrar's report after his last week's visit to a piece of land that both the society and Nation Media Group claim ownership of. The report notes that there was no church, school or livestock, contrary to Ngelani's claims.
My lord, these photos demonstrate that in fact the applicants are not in actual occupation of the property and misled this court into granting them an injunction restraining the owner, the registered proprietor of the property, from accessing its property.
The court also heard that the photos taken by the registrar during the site visit could not support Ngelani's claim of ownership of the land.
Deponent Dominic Katua Nzioka claims he's been on the suit property since 2004. In the same affidavit, he claims they've been there for 25 years. So, my lord, it's not rocket science to know that from 2004 to date, that's not 25 years.
NMG says it bought the property in 2012 after doing due diligence. But the squatters, under the name of Ngelani Pioneer Society, swore that they have lived on the property for nearly 25 years and had put up a permanent structure on it. The land has for the last 3 months have been invaded by armed youth. The court watched a video clip of one such instance of brutality meted on NMG officials who had gone to serve the current occupants with a court order. But the squatters claim they are the victims of the violence.
Question of grass that is growing, my lord, this court will take judicial notice that this is the rain season. And of course the grass and the bushes are expected to sprout within no period of time.
NMG wanted court orders that allowed Ngelani to occupy the property be set aside as they were not represented in court at the time they were issued. Even as the court is set to give its ruling on this matter, NMG argues that the information given by Ngelani pioneers are false and intended to mislead the court. Steve Juma, NTV in Machakos County.